In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Stan Store password. Following these steps will enable you to regain access to your account quickly and securely. Begin by navigating to the login page of Stan Store. This page is typically where you enter your credentials to access your account. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during this process. Once you are on the login page, look for the option that says Forgot Your Password. This link is usually found beneath the fields where you would enter your email and password. Clicking this link will take you to the password reset process. After clicking Forgot Your Password, a new screen will appear prompting you to enter your email address or username associated with your Stan Store account. Carefully input the information to ensure it is correct. Double check for any typos before proceeding. Next, check your email inbox for a message from Stan Store. It may take a few moments for the email to arrive, so be patient. If you do not see it in your main inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you locate the email, open it and look for the link to reset your password. Clicking this link will redirect you to a secure page where you can create a new password. This step is crucial for ensuring your account remains secure. On the password creation page, enter your new password. Make sure it meets any specified criteria, such as including uppercase letters, numbers, or special characters. Confirm your new password by entering it a second time to avoid any mistakes. Once you've filled out both fields, submit your new password. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. At this point, you can return to the login page to access your account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider revisiting these steps or checking for any additional instructions in the email. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.